So given a chance, would you still prefer a co-ed college or a non-co-ed college? If मैं आपको फिर से ऑप्शन दूँ, ग्रेजुएशन 3 साल पहले आप चले जाओ, so what would you prefer?
अभी तो देखो I've made my peace with it कि I'm in a girls college and
हाँ.
शायद आगे भी 2-3 साल I have to study here only.
2-3 साल. Welcome guys to another episode of Dil Se DU और I am your host आकाश और आज हमारी सुबह रोशन करने आई है रौनक भट्ट सीधे रेडी अर्बन कॉलेज से. Bro, intro. Hi Ronak, how are you
Hi.
feeling?
Excited and nervous also a
हाँ?
bit. Yeah.
हाँ, I can sense that. मैं भी थोड़ा nervous तो हूँ यार.
But overall it's good.
It's
nice.
good?
Yeah.
So how is the morning by the way? यार? Knowing the fact that today you're not going to the college but to shiksha.com headquarters here.
वैसे तो it was my leave day, but okay, I felt excited and it's kind of new to me.
हाँ.
And yeah, it's always good to have new things, new experiences in your life.
To explore new things. हाँ. College में तो ये करना बड़ा मजा आता होगा, right?
Yeah.
So maybe we can start by you introducing yourself, like where do you come from, what do you do, and the most important thing, what's your dream? I mean, क्या करना चाहती हो जिंदगी में?
So yeah, okay. Hi, I'm Ronak Bhatt. I'm studying in Lady Owen College, Delhi University. I'm pursuing home science honors, specializing in development, communication, and extension. So
एक सेकंड सॉरी एक फिर से कोर्स बताना मैं तो भूल गया.
it's home science honors,
Home science honors.
specializing in
In?
development, communication, and extension.
Alright.
Okay.
Alright. ठीक है.
So देखो as such dream तो so we can be bilingual ना, right?
Yeah. Why not?
As such dream तो नहीं है, but yeah, I've always wanted to work in communication sector.
अच्छा.
Yeah,
अच्छा.
so corporate communications or yeah, extension also
Extension
for the
also.
community, the international relation wala aspect,
हाँ,
the,
I was
the
about to-
policy framework basically.
हाँ,
So
हाँ,
I've always wanted to
मेरे
work
दिमाग
in-
में तो UN ही आ रहा है. I can see you somehow.
yeah, international
with the-
organizations are there.
Yeah. I
We
mean,
have
you're a
scope
perfect
in
fit
that.
for the UN. You know.
Perfect
मैं
fit.
वहाँ पे होता तो फिर मैं एकदम ले लेता आ जाऊँ. By the way, what made you choose this Lady Urban College? I mean, yeah. I mean,
I don't know if it will be right to say, but I did not choose actually
wow.
the college.
The college chose you.
The college chose me.
Wow.
So basically, I'm from science background. I had PCB in my 11th and
PCB
12th.
डॉक्टर का था कुछ बनने का.
Yes, my parents wanted me to give NEET and all that. So I got admission in Indore for forensic sciences.
Forensic sciences. अच्छा.
Yes, but then I have a single mom, and family situations happen, and
Yeah.
it was not possible for me at that time to go Indore, shift there, and for my family also it was not possible. So ultimately, from my state, there is this form that you fill. So from that, I got the college.
अच्छा,
So it was
okay.
not, this courses was not my choice. The college was not in my, the college list. So yeah.
It happened to you.
It just
I think the
happened.
things that happen to
Destiny,
you are the
yes.
best. This is what I feel. वो है ना
Yes.
कि आपके हिसाब से हो रहा है तो अच्छा है, मगर अगर आपके हिसाब से नहीं हो रहा है तो और भी
तो
अच्छा है.
और भी अच्छा है.
हाँ.
Initially I was a bit
Skeptical.
confused, skeptical also कि what is happening, what am I going to do, and all that
Correct.
pressure जो 12th के बाद create हो
True,
जाता
हम
है
सबके साथ
basically.
होता है यार वो.
So that happened with me also, but then eventually after I think second semester things got well, and I think the environment of the college also, our professors also, they made me feel very comfortable, and I then found the department which is DevCom. So I think now it's good.
It is good. You're liking
Yeah.
it here, huh?
Yeah,
The
I'm
faculty
liking
members
it.
are good.
Too good.
Too good.
Too good.
So, all right. So, I mean, how do you feel about so you're from Kashmir, right?
Yeah.
From Kashmir to this Delhi, the capital of India. What is the difference? What was the transition that you can see now? Was the transition smooth enough for you, right? So, because it's an incredible journey from Kashmir, because we all know how we see Kashmir these days. I mean, I think it's doing better. So, just maybe you can share something about your journey from Kashmir to Delhi.
So it's a very funny story actually. When I vividly remember the first day I came to my college for the verification thing. You know, DU has
Verification.
that.
हाँ
Yeah,
हाँ 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 ठीक
DU
है
has this procedure.
ठीक है
So I met people, and you know, they are firstly they got fascinated by my hair color. They thought I'm some foreign person or something, and they started asking me questions. And you know, people came to me and they touched my hair like this.
They
They
touched it.
pinched it, and
Oh.
like, is it natural? Is it real? And all that. So I'm like, yes, it's real. It's not artificial, or I've put something on my. It's not like that. So then they asked me like, where are you from and all that. So I said I'm from JNK, and they literally asked me, do you see bombs? Do you carry stones in your bag? And
Do you carry stones in your
हाँ,
bag?
पत्थर
Oh.
रखते हो बैग में, ऐसा होता है ना कश्मीर
हाँ
में
कश्मीर
बच्चे.
में.
तो they said all those things to me. Have you seen guns and all? And I was like,
What was your reaction, by the way?
you know, for initial days I was quiet
Uh-huh.
because I did not know how to react.
Uh-huh.
And Delhi people seemed very I found them very extrovert, like बहुत ज़्यादा extrovert.
एकदम जाते हैं बात कर लेते हैं पूछ ही लेते हैं
पूछ ही
कि
लेते हैं
पत्थर है क्या
direct.
बैग के अंदर
हाँ,
मारोगे
ऐसे
तो
ऐसे
नहीं.
डायरेक्ट ऐसे ही पूछा था मुझसे. So for me तो it was like that. And then I am by nature selectively extrovert.
Yeah,
ठीक
yeah.
है?
So you're not anti-social, but you're selectively social.
हाँ. So इनिशियल तो बहुत मुश्किल था मेरे लिए, क्योंकि मेरे को इतना कनेक्ट नहीं हो पाया लोगों से.
ठीक है.
And my mom was here for only 3 days, and then I was all by my own. So it was very difficult for me. I did not talk to people like for a month or two.
Okay.
I just, went to my classes, came back home, did my work. That's
Okay.
it. Not socializing with people.
But so I mean, so it's famous. The community of DU is very famous. That DU has its own community that help students who are coming from different backgrounds, different cultural
Where is
settings.
this community, please? Even I want to get introduced to this community. I don't know.
अच्छा
about
so
this,
you
yeah.
अच्छा ठीक है तो आपको उस कम्युनिटी का अभी तक कुछ
नहीं, I
नहीं दिख
have
पा रहा
no
है कि वो
clue.
कहाँ पे है.
Also the fact that our college is off campus.
अच्छा this is off campus.
So that's
Maybe
that's
maybe
a
it could be one of the
disadvantage.
reasons maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. Nice यार. So वैसे आपका daily routine क्या रहता है? I mean, what's your daily routine? I mean, the moment you wake up and till the time you get to the bed.
Don't even get there. It's I don't know. We wake up in the morning. We know that 8:40 से classes शुरू हो जाएंगी, and we have to rush to the classes. And तुम नहीं जाओगे तो off campus. I think our college is very strict in these terms.
ठीक है.
If you go late to the classes, they won't allow you. ठीक है. So
अच्छा.
punctuality, discipline is
अच्छी बात है ये
something.
तो.
Yeah,
I
it
think
is
this is
followed
good.
there. हाँ,
Yeah.
even I think it's good. So वो एक ना habit बन गया. We wake up early, we go to the college, have classes till I think 5 तो बज हो ही जाता है, इतना तो बज जाते हैं. And then we come back home, you know, chai, coffee, snacks, and then you do your assignments.
ठीक है.
And then वही सो जाओ,
सो
काम
जाओ.
वाम करके खत्म. And hostel वालों के लिए तो थोड़ा personal काम भी हो जाता है.
ठीक है.
So
So
I live
you
in-
live in a hostel.
Yeah, I live in a not college hostel, but
हाँ.
separately PG hostel कुछ भी कह लो.
PG hostel.
So yeah, we have some other work also to do.
ठीक है. What is
तो-
that work if I may ask?
Washing clothes, washing
Oh,
utensils and all
nice.
that. Yeah.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है ठीक है. Life is not that easy, is it?
Not easy actually.
हाँ.
Not easy. DU में life is not easy.
अच्छा it's not easy.
No.
नहीं it's एक बार लोग बड़ा बोलते हैं ना कि DU में एडमिशन हो जाए फिर लाइफ सेट है.
See,
How
there
do you
are
what do you
नहीं
say about
नहीं
this?
ऐसा कुछ. See, there are 2 types of people. ठीक है.
अच्छा.
I think DU में तो
Only 2 types, are you sure?
maybe there are more types,
हाँ,
but
हाँ,
broadly
हाँ.
एक classification अगर देखी जाए तो
हाँ 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 हाँ.
there are people who have resources and they don't want to use them,
ठीक है.
and there are
True.
people like me
ठीक है.
who get the resources बहुत मुश्किल से and we want to use them to the fullest.
To the fullest.
ठीक है. So मेरे जैसे जो लोग होते हैं ना उनके लिए थोड़ा difficult होता है because we want to get things done on time, be disciplined, be punctual, learn things as
Correct.
much as we can. And the
Yes.
other type is they have the luxury, they have resources, but they मजे मारते हैं. So I think that is that.
अच्छा, I can connect this thought of yours something to the nepotism that is there. If you have.
I just don't want to go there. Nepotism is.
I think that's okay, fine.
हाँ,
जिसके पास
ठीक
जो
है.
resources हैं, जिसके पास जो है वो use कर लेता है उसे.
But I think if you're having resources, don't waste them.
हाँ, true. That's true.
है ना?
That's correct. Yeah, yeah.
Just utilize them to the fullest.
ठीक है. तो do you think Lady Irwin College has helped you in growing in whatever you thought for yourself? Is it helping you in the same way?
Yes,
It is
immensely.
Wow.
Because like as I said before, my college environment is very good.
हाँ.
ठीक है, although it's not a co-ed college, it's
I was
all-
about to come on that. Yeah,
हाँ.
but ठीक है. हाँ, हाँ.
So it is not a co-ed college, and मतलब I've studied in co-ed schools and all that.
Oh.
So थोड़ा नहीं, actually बहुत मुश्किल हो
बहुत
जाता है.
मुश्किल हो जाता है?
हाँ, मेरे तो बहुत मेल फ्रेंड्स थे स्कूल
अच्छा,
में.
टेंशन भी नहीं मिलती होगी, है ही नहीं देने के लिए कोई.
ठीक
और
है.
लड़कियां तो आपस में
प्लीज
लड़ती बहुत
मेरे
हैं.
जले पे नमक मत छिड़को यार, प्लीज ऐसा मत करो. तो हाँ,
I think उसके लिए तो फेस्ट भी होता है ना
थोड़ा
डे में.
ग्रीनरी कम है.
ग्रीनरी कम
ठीक
है.
तो
Nice.
दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम.
अच्छा, हरियाली कम है?
हाँ, हरियाली कम है यार.
अच्छा.
दिल्ली में बहुत हरियाली है, बट ऑफ कैंपस में नहीं दिखती है.
अच्छा,
यार.
नहीं दिखती
क्या
है.
करें हम, बताओ.
हाँ, उसके
बोलो
लिए-
यार, थ्रू दिस ओनली प्लीज आओ वहाँ, दिखाओ अपनी शक्ल यार हम लोग को. ठीक है.
तो डीयू फेस्ट का क्या सीन रहता है? डीयू फेस्ट में तो आई थिंक डीयू जो
यार,
फेस्ट होते हैं अलग अलग कॉलेज
फेस्ट
के होते
होते हैं,
हैं. यू गाइस
definitely.
मस्ट बी एक्साइटेड. तो जैसे मन करता होगा ना, अरे जाएंगे वहाँ पे जाके थोड़ा हरियाली देखेंगे जाके. तो
होता है.
ये थॉट आप लोग के अंदर भी रहती है?
होता है, बट ना
हाँ, हाँ.
मैं गई नहीं अपने कॉलेज के अलावा किसी और फेस्ट
क्यों?
में 2 साल में. तो
हाँ.
हो ही नहीं पाया. पता है, प्लान बन के भी नहीं बन पाता है.
अच्छा.
वैसे ही दिल्ली में बहुत इशू है कि लेट नाइट चले जाओ फिर वापस नहीं आ सकते. फिर गर्ल्स
अच्छा.
तो इट्स मोर इंटेंस.
ठीक है.
सो आई थिंक दोज आर द प्रॉब्लम्स.
ठीक
बट
है.
या कमिंग बैक टू योर क्वेश्चन, एक्चुअली कि the college environment is really good. The professors are really nice. They are very
Wow.
helpful actually, and they always push you to do better. You
Okay.
know, sky's the limit. They always tell this.
What about the infrastructure of the college? Do you think there is something that needs to be improved?
I think
Not
over-
only limited to the infrastructure, but overall in your college, what things do you feel that these things should be improved? Maybe.
I think not only about my college, but overall in DU also, infrastructure can be improved.
I think it's quite old now.
It's quite old.
Quite old. Huh.
Yeah, so I think it can be improved.
But I think it has its own charm also.
It has its own charm, but you know, with time, when things develop, the environment around you is developing, and you know, education has altogether taken a new form. So infrastructure and classroom environment, I think that plays a really important role in how you focus. You know, how your attention gets to the studies and all that. So I think that really needs to improve. Otherwise, campus is beautiful. I think
beautiful.
all DU campuses are really nice, and it just makes your heart happy when you go to the college in the morning and see flowers, trees, and everything. So even the red buildings, they have their own charm. So I think all that is really nice. Yeah.
Acha. So do you feel is it difficult to get into DU?
Yes,
It is?
It is. It is, because you need to have a certain merit. And
I think अभी sorry to interrupt. अभी it is still based on merit या फिर CUT के
नहीं,
through
आई एम
होता है?
टॉकिंग अबाउट माई लाइक 3 years बैक एक्चुअली.
3 years
तब तो मेरिट पे हो रहा था, बट आफ्टर द कोविड थिंग इट हैज शिफ्टेड टू CUET,
CUET,
द
हाँ.
एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन.
Correct.
So the level of the examination also is, I have not given it yet, but like
ठीक है.
I'll give it next year. So I think it is going to be tough, like not average or easy. And yeah, so I think you need to prepare really hard for that.
अच्छा.
ऐसा होता है.
ठीक
I
है.
mean, it's DU.
It's DU.
Yes.
तो जब पहले कभी DU का नाम सुना था आपने?
हाँ,
मतलब,
यार.
है ना? तो मतलब जैसे पहले जो एक्साइटमेंट होती कि दिस इज DU, अब आने के बाद भी सेम एक्साइटमेंट है? जो भी चीज़ सुनी थी, आर दे रियली ट्रू? आई मीन या फिर जो बाहर से दूर के डोल्स वो हमें लगते हैं, इज इट समथिंग लाइक दैट? या डिड यू गेट एनी रियलिटी चेक? व्हाट डू यू फील अबाउट इट? जो सुना था और अब यू आर इनटू दिस DU, यू नो?
See, people who are in high school, like 11, 12, they really fantasize about
Exactly.
college. ठीक है?
Yeah,
They
ठीक है.
romanticize it कि it is going to be like you'll fall and
कुछ
books will
होता है,
fall,
शाहरुख
and
की तरह
yes,
college आएगा.
a guy
हाँ.
will come, he'll pick up your books and hand it over to you and
हाँ.
all that. So yeah, people think that.
हाँ.
Guys also and girls also,
ठीक
both.
है.
Okay. So, but no.
बट नो.
It is not like that. I think DU is, at least for my college, तो वैसे तो it's not co-ed, but हाँ, सुबह जाके सिर्फ लड़कियों को आपको देखना है हर दिन.
लड़कियां तो बुक उठाएंगी नहीं, आग लगा देंगी
साल
उनमें.
के आपको उन्हीं को देखना है. So उतना fascinating नहीं होता है, काम बहुत होता है. There are a lot of assignments, work, submissions and everything, practicals and everything. So I think it's not fancy. ऐसा तो नहीं है.
So given a chance, would you still prefer a co-ed college or a non-co-ed college? If मैं आपको फिर से ऑप्शन दूँ, ग्रेजुएशन 3 साल पहले आप चले जाओ, so what would you prefer? Going to this Lady Urban College or maybe to a non-DO college, but it should be co-ed. What do you feel about it?
अभी तो देखो I've made my peace with it कि I'm in a girls college and
हाँ.
शायद आगे भी 2-3 साल I have to study here only.
2-3 साल क्यों?
I have to do masters now.
So you'll be doing masters from here only?
It is in the list.
In the list. Okay.
Yes.
ठीक है.
So if I get to, yeah.
हाँ, तो 3 साल पहले अगर आपको दोबारा से ऑप्शन मिलता है कि what would you prefer?
I think co-ed.
Co-ed is still
Yes,
better.
I
Is
think
a
it's
still
still
better option
better.
for you.
The environment, the exposure you
The
get
exposure you
still.
get because
It's
eventually
all about exposure.
eventually you have to
eventually.
come when you face the real world. So here both the genders are here, right? You have to deal with both of them, not only one. At least this is
So also I would like to add one thing. I think I've become very distant with the boys community
है ना?
because
थोड़े feministic
गया।
approach आ गई क्या अंदर?
आ गई
है ना?
because we learn I have gender as one of my subjects and
Correct.
we learn so much about this women and everything.
Maybe only one side of the story is getting,
yeah,
just
it's overpowering sometimes.
sometimes.
And खुद भी feel होता है कि we need to have a male perspective on
Wow.
things and I think that's
I mean,
important.
this is a good thought. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you being Amir. Thank you. So much. Thank you so much, ma'am,
Surely,
for
surely.
considering us also. ठीक है. So, अच्छा, what do you think? What factors should a student see? I mean, look for while choosing a college? मतलब, what do you think? Have any आप कोई ऐसे tips देना चाहेंगे कि college choose करते हुए ये चीज़ों को देखो यार. Especially after when you are actually passing out your senior secondary school and you're coming for the college. What factor should one person look into?
See, I think getting into a degree which you think that you see when you get into a degree, you know that we want to get into this direction only, like when you work or something. So I think for that, do something that you yourself think ki, this is something I'm going to enjoy always. I'm never going to get bored of this. So don't take subjects parental pressure में या societal pressure में. Please be थोड़ा resilient and choose subjects, choose courses जहाँ पे you think कि okay, I am going to have a lot of exposure in this and I'm going to learn things which I really want to learn. And also, of course, the reputation of the college. Good institutions always give you a better surroundings, better
Platform.
environment, platforms to showcase your talent, your skills, and I think whatever you have thoda sa inside you, which you cannot present in school or you haven't got the opportunity to present to the world, a good college can help you take it out.
बट ऐसा नहीं लगता कि मे बी जैसे कि आर्ट्स की बात करें हम और साइंस की बात करें, ऑब्वियसली साइंस हैज़ गॉट स्पेसिफिकली इन इंडिया साइंस हैज़ गॉट मोर अपॉर्चुनिटीज देन एज कम्पेयर टू आर्ट्स. व्हाट यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट? सो वन शुड फॉलो आर्ट्स इफ दैट पर्सन हैज समथिंग ऑफ आर्ट्स इन दैट पर्सन इनसाइड ऑफ हिम और हर, or otherwise that person should be like should have a practical approach and move towards the science because it will be having more opportunities and उसको वहाँ जाके employment मिलेगा, काम करने के मौके मिलेंगे, पैसा कमा पाएगा वहाँ पे. और आर्ट्स में तो there is always an uncertainty, we all know that, right? What do you have, मतलब आज के लोग क्या सोचते हैं, थोड़ा जानना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि it's very easy to say कि follow your passion, follow your heart, but I think it's not that easy said and done. This is what I feel. Yeah.
So firstly, आप बताओ, what is uncertainty in arts?
अनसर्टेनिटी वही हुई यार कि आज काम है कल का पता नहीं है. आज काम मिल गया, वेरी गुड. कितने ऐसे एक्टर्स हो गए, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट एक्टिंग स्पेसिफिकली, एक्टर्स हो गए, मतलब आर्ट्स में तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं. आज काम है कल नहीं है, पता नहीं कब तक नहीं होगा, है ना. दिस इज व्हाट अनसर्टेनिटी इज एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई आल्सो फेयर समटाइम्स कि यार आर्ट्स में तो ऐसा है.
Okay.
या मतलब डोंट यू थिंक सो इट्स द केस?
मैं तो ऐसे बहुत इंजीनियर्स को जानती हूँ जो घर पे बैठे हैं, they're not
मतलब
doing
मे बी
anything.
अगर वही वाली बात है, इंजीनियरिंग उन्होंने अच्छे कॉलेज से की होती, अच्छे से पढ़ाई की होती, तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई भी घर पे बैठा है अगर तुम अच्छे, क्योंकि इन इंडिया मोर देन 40,000 कॉलेजेस आर ऑफरिंग इंजीनियरिंग और कोई भी कॉलेज इंजीनियरिंग दे रहा है. उसके पास ना तो उतना अच्छा इंफ्रा है, ना उसके पास कोर्स करिकुलम है, वो लेकिन वो दे रहा है. अब कोई इंसान वहाँ से पढ़ाई करके तो जॉब नहीं ले पाएगा. सो लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट दैट.
Okay.
हाँ.
So have you heard cases of students in IITs committing suicide and students who are giving NEET exams and the exam is not getting cleared, committing suicide.
I know.
You know?
I've heard. Yeah.
So, what is the fun of taking fields or taking things जहाँ पे ultimately it is not making you internally happy or it's affecting your mental peace. I know people. Okay, chal, let's not talk about people. I'll give my personal story. ठीक है? My parents wanted me to take engineering. I had good marks.
Okay.
ठीक है, मैं ले सकती थी.
Mhm.
Then my father wanted me to take up engineering and my mother wanted me to take up medical.
Medical.
Okay, so मैं पिस गई बीच में. But then ultimately I took medical. ठीक है. 11 12 में ले लिया, पढ़ लिया, and I think those were I really was as I told you, I was really interested in communications. I wanted to do English honors or in literature something ऐसा कुछ करके languages वाले इसमें because वो subjects की तरफ मेरा ना incline थोड़ा ज़्यादा था. But then वही parents के pressure में और relatives के pressure में I took medical and कर लिया, ठीक है, हो गया. But then इसके बाद भी after my 12th I took admission in forensic sciences यही. But when I got the college, when I spent like 2 semesters here, internally that is, what do I say, internally तुम्हें वो feel हो जाता है कि this is making me happy. And if I would have chosen the previous wala thing which I was originally, that would not have made me this much happy or would not have given me this much of exposure that I am having now. ठीक है. Now I have a younger sister. ठीक है.
Okay.
She's in class 10. She's going to give her boards now. And she's continuously asking me on calls कि दीदी what do I take up? मेरे को नहीं लेना. I have seen you इसमें पढ़ाई करते हुए रात भर सोना नहीं, ये वो and all that. What do I take up? मुझे law करना है. Should I take arts or should I take commerce or can I go CA वाले उसमें? So I तो tell her कि take arts or commerce but don't look at this science वाला field. Because I have gone through that period जहाँ पे I was not sleeping nights and my mental peace was
Taking a toll.
yes.
Okay.
It was, I think, the really stagnant. It was a static period. जहाँ पे ना तुम कुछ एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर सकते, वो तुम्हें अपना सर नीचे करके किताबों में देखना है और बस वही होता
हर
है.
फील्ड के साथ नहीं होता, मतलब
हर
साइंस
field के
ही
साथ-
बदनाम है इस चीज में.
Yes.
आई फील कि कॉमर्स के साथ भी वैसा ही होगा. अगर तुम अच्छे से करोगे तो आर्ट्स के साथ भी वैसा ही होगा, अगर तुम अच्छे से करोगे. मतलब दिस इज
See, अच्छे से करोगे is not an ये to I think arts और commerce में there is still a chance that you can do something other than the. I mean ऐसा भी नहीं है. Science में भी now there are people who are YouTube influencers and they are having
Exactly,
their MBBS also. I've seen all that also, but still, if we go and ask them personally, see on digitally it all looks very fancy.
हाँ.
We don't know what is happening behind the camera.
Correct.
है ना? So if we go and we just sit with them and ask them personally,
हाँ.
so I'm sure that they'll tell you how difficult it is. They are crying at nights.
Okay.
So why do people in IITs commit suicide?
I mean, people are committing suicides everywhere. I mean, that's not only.
No, but
Yeah,
I'm particularly talking about the student section. Why are they doing it? I've read articles.
Maybe they have. I think it's a whole different subject, and the reason is totally different. Could be it could vary. We have no idea what's really going on back of their minds. What is their financial status? And I think committing suicide one of the reasons could be that they are actually expecting a lot out of themselves, but they are unable to do it. So it has nothing to do with what their parents had told them. Could be one of the possibility, but the one thing that I can see is they have expectations from themselves they were unable to fulfill. Could be one of the reasons. This is what I feel.
See, no, I completely disagree with this.
You have all.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
I think the pressure these premier institutes create on you and
Okay.
the subjects you have and also the family pressure that you get.
Yeah.
ठीक है. These factors lead to things like these. So
Correct.
yeah, if you go into fields जहाँ पे you still have some possibility to do something हटके than studies वाला thing, so I think you'll be a lot happier there. So I
Yeah.
don't believe in this traditional continuity कि science ही लो,
हाँ.
engineering ही लो, doctor बनो, ये I don't believe in this seriously.
ठीक है, ठीक अच्छी बात
Although
है.
at one point मैं भी ऐसा ही थी करती थी, but now my perspectives have changed.
And I think it will
definitely.
keep changing.
Yes,
And I hope
think,
so,
yeah.
because change is the only constant that we
Yes,
have.
yes.
Correct. So, इसको सुनकर क्या याद आता है? Hearts are fragile, be humane enough.
Oh God, you stole my this bio thing on Instagram.
Obviously, यार stalking तो
Stalking,
by the
yeah.
way, I've got excellent stalking skills. कभी course करना हो तो contact me.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah, yeah.
Noted.
कहाँ
Noted.
stalk किया तुम्हें पता भी नहीं है.
Noted. Okay.
हाँ.
So yeah, about this sentence actually, I think this year actually personally has been like not very well for me.
Okay.
I've had some experiences which were not quite nice.
Okay.
So from all those experiences, this is the learning that I got.
Okay.
And then I put it on my Instagram bio that human hearts are very fragile.
Okay.
And I think we need to be really kind to people because we don't know what stories they are having,
What struggles
on
they are
smiling
actually
faces.
having. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I think
Agree.
this line is
Achha, so
that.
this is only limited to humans, right? Not to animals and any other thing. So animals
हाँ.
are not fragile. Their hearts are also not fragile, are they? Just asking.
They are,
They are.
but,
Okay,
but
okay,
this
okay.
is specifically about
Acha,
humans.
acha, acha. So
yeah.
they can. So I think you are a non-vegetarian, right?
Yes.
How
Please
ironic.
don't go
Be
there.
kind. Be kind and polite.
See,
Wow.
it's food chain, okay?
Yeah.
हाँ.
Blah blah blah.
So don't go there, please.
Yeah. I don't want to. Trust me. You won't like it. Okay, fine. Acha, so tell me how Shiksha.com has helped you. I mean, in what way? So that I just want a genuine feedback because we are working here in Shiksha.com and we just want to improve ourselves. We just want to cater to the students who are actually struggling to find a college. We just want to be there for them in any way and every way possible to help them decide a good college, the best one for them. So yeah. So your genuine feedback, where did you get the help and what do you think can be improved?
Okay, so when I was in class 12, then our examinations got over. I was looking for the list of colleges for some specific courses, and I've taken help from Shiksha.com, and I've seen it really helps when you see colleges, the fees, the package. वहाँ पे बहुत सारे reviews available होते हैं. So I think that really helped me. But user interface is something I think that can be improved
A
a
little
bit.
bit.
Yes,
ठीक है,
a
ठीक
little
है.
bit. Yeah,
Sure.
it can be made more student friendly or more. I think clearly visible or I think categorized. थोड़ा
Point
और
taken,
हो
point
सकता है.
taken, we will say.
Otherwise, it really helped me a lot. वहाँ पे तो सारा information is available and you can literally read reviews of so many people and all the colleges, the photographs, the infrastructure review is there, and I think I have packages also annual.
Yeah, we have everything.
Everything is there. So yeah, it's cool. It has really helped. Even my sister takes help from
हाँ.
that now.
Nice,
So
nice.
I think it's really helpful.
Achha, what about your college's placement? Do you guys, I mean, कैसा placement चला है and how does it work? I mean, कैसा placement रहता है? Did you have in college का specifically the course that you are pursuing? Or also in general, companies आती हैं नहीं आती हैं क्या सीन है? मतलब I'm not really aware of such colleges. अब जैसे DU का नाम इतना अच्छा है, इतना बड़ा नाम है. What about the placement thing? Because I know that Delhi University is a art-centric university mostly. Now it's maybe expanding, it's growing now, but it has been known, it's still known for the arts and culture-related courses. So what about the placements there?
See, again, it's the two sides. Some of the DU colleges, they offer placements,
Correct.
but some don't.
Some.
ठीक है, कहीं पे क्या होता है कि you only get internships
ठीक है.
and then you have to find your way out.
ठीक. My question is, I think placement assistant मिलता है ना, help मिलती है. The college does
हाँ.
help you in getting you Not I think I mean अब जिस era में हम enter कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे कोई भी placement देगा नहीं until or unless you possess the required skill set.
Yes.
Right? So I think
Definitely.
ये term तो मुझे कुछ आने वाले time में ही खत्म ही हो जाएगा कि college placement offer करता है नहीं. If you have the desired skill set, required skill set, you will find good opportunities. But I think the right question is कि opportunities provide कराता है college या नहीं कराता. वो एक चीज है मतलब.
Internship opportunities they provide, they give
है
you
ना?
contacts and everything, but I don't placement wala thing you have to do on
You
your
have
own.
to, we have
Yes,
to
I
do.
think that
I
has
think
changed
maybe
a bit.
internship करो वहाँ से networking कर लो.
हाँ, networking कर
है ना?
लो and हाँ, वो
क्योंकि
skills
वही
तुम्हें
helpful है.
थोड़ा खुद भी develop करने पड़ेंगे.
Exactly.
And ऐसे भी even if you don't get the placement, DU gives you those skills.
Exactly.
जहाँ पे
ठीक है.
वो एक हो जाता है तो तुम इतना exposed होते हो चीज़ों से कि you can network with people and you definitely can find your way. खुद
ठीक
से.
हाँ this is what
Yeah.
the main question is. हाँ तो
Yes.
it is already doing its job.
Yeah,
It's
it
making
is,
you
definitely.
skilled and confident enough.
Absolutely, yes.
I can see that.
Yeah.
I can see that. Yeah. Why not? Cool.
Thanks.
ठीक है. We are entering into a rapid fire sort of a round now. So whatever comes to your mind, just shoot. Okay?
ठीक है,
So you
okay.
have minimum time. जितने जल्दी से बोलोगे उतना ज़्यादा मजा आएगा.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है, I'll
ठीक है?
try.
So पहला तो it's very obvious. Delhi University.
Do I say
TikTok.
discipline?
Discipline. Wow.
Yes.
You can extend if you want to, but I think that's.
No, I think that's it.
Wow.
Discipline.
Bunking classes.
A big no.
Big no.
I think in DU don't bunk classes. Every class gives you something to learn. At the
Okay.
end of every class, I think I have to take notes. If my professor says something which I really find, what do I say? Which I find ki this is something that I'm keeping with myself. This is making so much sense to me.
Okay.
So I take a note of it, and I
Yeah.
sometimes post it on my Instagram stories also.
Yeah, I've seen that. I guess.
So
Yeah.
I think please don't bunk
मुझे
classes.
तुमने 3 Idiots की याद दिला दी. रणछोड़ दास. ज्ञान हर जगह
मैंने
बट रहा
यार
है.
3 Idiots नहीं देखी है. Please.
Oh my
I know.
God.
Please.
Why do you exist? I can
Everybody
question
says
your
that.
existence
Please.
now.
Everybody
you should just
says
go
that.
and watch
Yeah.
it today. That's
Okay,
हाँ,
ठीक है.
Yeah, before exams. Yeah, it's a must watch movie.
ठीक है,
Okay.
okay.
ठीक है. Equality. Yeah, I can
Equality,
see the long list.
non-existent.
What? Sorry.
Non-existent in
Equality.
today's world, though at
Fine,
least.
yeah. I can feel that too for myself also. Yeah. Tagging.
See, it's about the majority.
Okay.
जब हम जनरल बात करते हैं ना तो वो मेजोरिटी की बात करते हैं. We're not talking about a few people who are good.
We are talking about equality here?
Yes.
Let's not go there.
Let's
Yeah.
not.
Yeah,
Actually,
yeah,
yes.
yeah. Ragging.
Ragging. I've not faced it yet.
Nice.
Yeah.
Faz or John Elia?
John Lydia.
John Elia. Okay. So, recite 2 poetic lines that touch you the most.
अरे यार, I have
Yeah,
this bad habit of forgetting. When I read तब तो सही है, but
2
then
लाइन भी
I
याद नहीं. नहीं, थोड़ा सा दिमाग पे जोर डालो.
2 लाइन भी यार
नहीं.
नहीं याद है मुझे.
Instagram पे तो बहुत पोस्ट करती हो.
यार मैं पोस्ट तो बहुत करती हूँ, बट मुझे
अच्छा
ना
शो
this
ऑफ
is-
है वो तो सब.
नहीं
Sorry
है
यार.
शो ऑफ यार,
चलो
मुझे
ठीक है, I
बस
think
याद नहीं
let's
रहता
move
है.
on.
Please move on.
Weirdest of the things that you have carried in your backpack.
Weird तो कुछ भी नहीं है.
कुछ भी नहीं है.
But हाँ, girls do carry a lipstick, a mascara, or
It's not weirdest.
it's not weird, but yeah,
Yeah.
nothing weird.
Most embarrassing thing that you did in your college? Yeah. Let's hear it. Guys. Suno.
No.
No. You have to share it. Hello. Hi.
See, I am.
No, I don't want to see. I just want to listen.
I'm a very nice student, so
Okay.
I haven't done
No.
anything
I don't believe
embarrassing.
you. I've got trust issues now.
Seriously, yaar, I've not done anything embarrassing.
You're not living your life then. Trust me.
Actually, I'm
You
not.
don't want to share? This is not good.
Honestly, like I swear on my no,
I think
I swear on God.
I think that's the most embarrassing thing already, that you have not
Yes,
done any embarrassing
actually.
thing. Oh my God.
So you gave the answer of your
Oh my
own
God.
question.
Yeah, I always
Thank you.
do that.
Thank you for this.
Yeah, you're welcome.
हाँ.
That's why I'm the best. Kashmiri pulao or
You're
Hyderabad.
self-obsessed, actually.
No, I'm not. The
You
best.
are.
Just the best. Simply the
are.
best. Cannot be compared
See,
as simple
now
as that.
you are flexing. Okay,
Yeah.
next question.
Kashmiri
please.
pulao or Hyderabad biryani? Hyderabadi biryani.
Kashmir for life.
हाँ.
Yes, so
Oh.
Kashmiri pulao. Yes.
The last one in a rapid fire round. Which one is the best? Shiksha.com or Shiksha.com?
Again, okay. Promoting yourself, but ठीक है.
इतना तो बनता है, इतना तो
Shiksha.com,
करने दो
ठीक है
यार.
Shiksha.com.
है ना? बच्चों को पता चलना चाहिए. We are
Thumbs up.
doing something.
5 stars.
5 stars.
Yes.
10 में से 5.
10 में से 10 यार. चलो
हाँ.
10 में से 20 यार. कोई
हाँ,
बात
ठीक
नहीं.
है. अभी
ठीक
ठीक
है.
है. Now we
खुश
are
रहो.
talking. Yeah,
हाँ,
yeah.
ठीक है.
I think that's it for today, Ronak. I mean, thank you so much for being a wonderful guest and sharing your amazing insights about Lady Army College. है ना? So we have got a small छोटा सा आपके लिए एक please
Gift
have
time.
it. Yeah. I mean, this is a छोटा सा goodie of Shiksha
Thank
only.
you,
We
thank you.
really are happy that you actually तुमने time निकाला, तुम यहाँ पे आई, अपने जो भी तुम्हारी चीज़ थी तुमने share करी. We loved it. I hope कि जो भी students इन्हें देखेंगे उनको कुछ तो help मिलेगी यार.
हाँ
है ना?
पक्का
है ना?
मिलेगी.
Any last tip for the students that you want to share with the students here कि एक बार उनसे बता दो कि एक कोई भी चीज़ जो तुम्हें लगता हो, जो तुम्हारा लाइफ लेसन हो, जो तुम बताना चाहती हो, being a girl, being a human, कि ठीक है यार मैंने ये सीखा है. Maybe one thing that you want to tell your sister here. हाँ.
So see, I think this generation has this habit of taking shortcuts.
अच्छा.
So I think please the right way is definitely going to be a bit longer, but we should always be disciplined, punctual, and we should always use our resources to the fullest. Don't waste anything. These are our learning years, and I think we should take advantage of every good opportunity and every new experience and everything that comes to us in these years, our learning years. So I think that's the only
that's the
tip.
key.
Yeah, that's
Hard
the
work
key.
is the
actually.
key.
Hard work is the key. Actually, shortcuts never really work. So I think.
Hard work is the way.
Yeah.
Mahi way. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think this is how we'll wrap up for today. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. Actually,
ये
this
उन्होंने यार
was
हाँ
great,
नहीं,
great
बहुत मजा आया.
experience.
I hope आपको हमारी हॉस्पिटैलिटी ठीक ही लगी होगी अब तक.
बहुत बढ़िया.
बहुत बढ़िया ना.
बहुत
Full
बढ़िया.
power.
बहुत अच्छी मेहमान नवाजी करी है
मेहमान नवाजी.
Yes.
ठीक
So
है.
I'm quite happy.
नहीं ठीक है. तो फिर अब तो सुन ही लिया पॉडकास्ट नहीं तो फिर click on the given link right now and listen to Aliza's tale of LSR. दिल से डी यू. See you in the next episode. Bye.